Hey, it's Matt with McGee Farms, and spring's coming, getting ready to do that first mow of the season. I just got the Kubota BX 2370 out from storage and went through it a little bit. And one thing I have been reading over the winter from a couple of Kubota forums I was on Facebook, and that is these little filters here. They're pretty cheap. You can pick them up on Amazon. They're for like fancy coffee makers, I think Nespresso or something like that. I'm a psychopath. I don't drink coffee. Everyone says I'm crazy for that, but just have no desire for it. But these little filters here, they're pretty cheap, and from what I've been reading, if you've got the Kubota BX series, they work with a lot of other tractors too, and they fit right over where you right over your gas tank where you put it in, and these things filter out a lot of the crap that gets in your fuel. So we're going to put it in. We're going to try it over this summer, see what it catches. The videos I've seen show that it gets quite a bit of stuff, and I do work in a lot of fuel labs, and I can tell you the fuel that comes through nowadays isn't like what was coming through 20-30 years ago. There's a lot of junk in there, a lot of contaminants, so any extra filters you can get in to protect that engine is better. So I'm going to put a link to this in the descriptions, and you know, do your own research, follow along. I'll probably in a couple of months, after putting a few tanks through, kind of look and see what it's catching, and at the end of the year as well. But I just wanted to share it with you. If you like the videos, please consider subscribing to our channels, maybe giving us a thumbs up. If you got questions, ask a question in the down below, or leave a comment. It's always appreciated and it helps the channel grow. Till next time, it's Matt with McGee Farms. Have a great day.